Look at that, see? If you slip, sometimes the water may be up to this point, right? And then you cannot go up. Okay, hold me, huh? Need to hold me. Hold on tight.
Is it slippery? Could be. Not too bad. We're watching the beach.
So the hardest part is going down. Not going up, right? Okay. May washroom din dyan sa gift shop.